Prepare. Prepare.
I need to prepare for my upcoming exam. I prepare breakfast every morning. Seek. Seek.
They are playing hide and seek. My friend is seeking a new job. You should seek advice from a lawyer. Whack. Whack. He whacked the fly with a rolled-up newspaper. He whacked his head against the door. Tenant. Tenant.
The tenant received 2 months' notice.
The landlord needed a warrant to evict the tenant. Forbid. Forbid. I forbid you from going out alone at night. If you want to go, I can't forbid you. Pierce. Pierce. She used a needle to pierce her earlobe. Pierce the skin of the potato with a fork. Initiate. Initiate. I will initiate the game by counting to 3. Can you initiate the song by singing the first line? Cure. Cure. The doctor cured my sister's illness. Doctors did everything they could to cure him. Mock. Mock. I thought you were mocking me. She made fun of him by mocking his limp. Collide. Collide. The 2 cars collided on the highway. The 2 children collided with a bump. Obtain. Obtain. I have got my driving license. I hope to get a job after I graduate. Vacate. Vacate. He vacated the flat and went to stay with an uncle. He vacated his job at the bank last month. Assemble. Assemble. The whole school assembled in the main hall. She didn't know how to assemble the toy. Scruff. Scruff. He took an animal by the scruff of the neck. He grabbed him by the scruff of his neck. longing, longing.
I am longing to meet her. He gave a longing look at the ice cream.